towards building a green industrial ecosystem, sustainable, meeting stringent ESG standards. Ready-Built Factory HLI EcoHub Nam Hà actually is one of the very few projects in BINH THUện that's guided by LEED standards. Its design focus on 3 criteria: operational efficiency, environmentally friendly, and long-term sustainable value. HLI EcoHub Nam Hà not only plays a key role in the region's green industrial development strategy, but also opens up attractive cooperation opportunities for modern manufacturing businesses, contributing to boosting exports, attracting domestic and foreign investment capital, creating tons of new jobs, and making practical contributions to local economic growth. HLI EcoHub Nam Hà is developed by Hoa Long Invest with over 11 years of experience in investing and developing a chain of green and sustainable industrial properties in strategic areas such as Long An, Ba Ria, Vũng Tàu, Đồng Nai, and more. Ready-Built Factory HLI EcoHub Nam Hà is located in Duc Linh, BINH THUện. It possesses a strategic location as the central connecting the South Central Coast region and the key economic region of the Southeast. From here, businesses can easily connect major trading hubs such as adjacent to Đồng Nai province, only 130 hours away from Ho Chi Minh city center via the expressway, only 130 to 2 hours to Tan Son Nhut International Airport or Long Thon International Airport, connecting to international seaports such as Cái Mép, Thị Vải, Cát Lái in just 2 hours. With these advantages, HLI EcoHub Nam Hà optimally meets the needs of businesses in connecting trade, boosting exports to strategic markets such as the US, Europe, China, Korea, Japan, and more, helping businesses shorten time, optimize logistics costs, and expand global competitiveness. Transportation is convenient via 2 main routes, Dong Ha,
CHUUN,
and Z38 Street, which are conveniently connected, making it easy to connect with provinces and cities inside and outside Vietnam, helping to optimize logistics operations for businesses. Besides that, HLI EcoHub Nam Hà is fully equipped with technical infrastructure to help businesses quickly stabilize production. 12-meter roadway for intelligently planned. Modern and reasonably designed parking lot with spacious and convenient lane. The 110/20 seconds of the kilovolt medium voltage power source is supplied from BINH THUện and Đồng Nai, ensuring stable and continuous power supply, and also equipped with a water supply system with flexible capacity from 6,000 to 14,000 cubic meters per day, and a centralized wastewater treatment plant with a capacity of 950 cubic meters per day and night. The lease area is designed flexibly. Clear height from 7.5 to 10 meter. Floor load capacity up to 2 tons per square meter. Concurrently, the project offers many outstanding local incentives to attract and suit the diverse industry development orientations. Assembly of electrical, electronic, refrigeration, mechanical components, agricultural and food processing, production of construction materials, wood processing and manufacture of wood products, and more. Advanced fire suppression system, fire sprinkler system arranged every 3 meter per head, automatic fire alarm system, smoke extraction system on the roof, lightning protection system. The office space design provides a comfortable workspace and includes all essential features. Not limited to superior infrastructure, the project fully leverages advantages like ultimate connectivity, abundant resources, and high-quality workforce. Secure legal framework, along with an all-inclusive, one-stop service. HLI EcoHub Nam Hà, pioneering green, sustainable, lead-oriented ready-built factory in BINH THUện.